Do you think making soft and silky poached eggs without them breaking or tasting fishy is difficult? In reality, with just a few simple tips, this dish is almost impossible to fail. Let's start with the first tip. First, prepare a separate bowl and add vinegar to it. This is a secret trick that helps you ensure better results in setting the surface of the egg whites. Next, gently crack the egg and place it into the bowl of vinegar water. Do this very slowly to keep the yolk intact and avoid breaking the egg. You can let the egg rest in the vinegar water for about 5 minutes. While we wait, I'm curious to know which country you're watching this video from and what your favorite way to eat eggs is. Leave a comment below and let me know your preferences. Then, prepare a clean pot with enough water to fully submerge the eggs and turn the stove to medium heat. When the water reaches a boil, gently slide all the eggs into the pot at the same time. Once the water is boiling consistently, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. This allows the eggs to cook slowly. During this process, if you see foam rising to the surface, use a spoon to skim it off. This keeps the water clear and makes the eggs look more beautiful. The ideal poaching time is about 2 minutes for a perfectly soft, runny yolk. If you want to prepare them in advance, transfer the eggs to cold water to stop the cooking process and prevent them from overcooking. If you need to reheat them, simply lift the eggs out and place them in warm water to keep them at the right temperature. Finally, remove the eggs and gently pat them dry with a paper towel to remove excess water. The finished poached eggs will have a soft, silky, and beautifully golden yolk, while retaining their natural richness without becoming dry. They taste delicious when served with noodles, rice, or other dishes. Tip 2. Next, I'd like to share a dish I learned from a restaurant. However, to make it successfully, you'll need a few small tricks. First, crack the eggs into a large bowl. Then, using 2 fingers, hold a small piece of bread and gently touch it to the yolk to carefully lift it out and place it into a separate bowl. Repeat this step with the remaining eggs. With the leftover egg whites, add shredded cheese, season with salt and black pepper. Then stir well until the mixture becomes smooth and well combined. Next, prepare the eggplant. Wash it thoroughly and cut it into small dice. Avoid cutting it too thinly, because eggplant becomes very soft and mushy when exposed to heat. After that, heat a pan with an appropriate amount of oil. And add the eggplant. Fry it lightly over medium heat. When it touches the hot oil, you'll notice the surface of the eggplant starting to turn a light golden color and become softer. Don't fry it for too long, because eggplant absorbs oil very quickly, which can make the dish feel greasy. Finally, season with a bit more salt and black pepper so the spices are evenly absorbed. Then transfer it to a plate. Continue by adding a little oil to the pan and sauté a finely chopped onion over medium heat. Right after that, add a diced red bell pepper and stir well. Then, add 1 minced garlic clove and stir quickly. Garlic burns easily, so only stir for a few seconds. Don't leave it too long, or it will become bitter. Once all the vegetables start to combine, pour 100 milliliters of tomato sauce into the pan. Use a spoon to stir everything thoroughly until the mixture is fully blended, forming a light, fragrant sauce with an attractive color. Depending on your taste, you can add a little water to adjust the consistency of the sauce. At this point, lower the heat slightly and slowly pour the egg and cheese mixture over the surface. Close the lid and wait for about 3 minutes. Then, add all the fried eggplant into the pan and spread it evenly across the surface. Next, sprinkle chopped green onions on top. Then gently place each egg yolk into the pan, spacing them evenly. After that, sprinkle the remaining cheese over everything. Cover the pan with a lid and cook on low heat so the eggs cook slowly and the cheese melts beautifully. When it's done, season with a little more salt, black pepper, dried basil, and chili powder to enhance the flavor. The final result is a soft and silky egg layer with rich, creamy yolks blending perfectly with melted cheese, and a deeply flavorful sauce, truly irresistible.